Good day, Mom and Sir. My name is Landly Tangan. I'm 26 years old. I'm from Philippines. I'm single without child. I am college undergraduate taking course of Bachelor of Elementary Education. I work as a housemaid way back 2022-2025. With these 5 members of family, 1 adult, 1 elderly, and 2 childs. My main duties there is taking care of 2 children, 3 years old and 7 years old. I am always making sure that the 2 children safe, clean, comfortable. I also teach the 2 children like reading books, assignment tasks, story, count of the numbers, playing, love and respect. I always make sure that I cook the nutritious foods for them like vegetable and fruits, rice, egg, milk, bread, fish, chicken, pork. I also doing house chores such as cooking, cleaning, mopping the floor, sanitizing, bathroom, kitchens, washing windows, laundry, washing, drying, folding, ironing, gardening, taking care of small dog. To my future employer, please hire me because I am patient, kind, honest, hardworking, responsible person. I will manage my time well. I will follow instruction carefully. I can also take care of the kids with love and patience. I hope you will choose me. Thank you and God bless.